Meet Hera, an AI barista built on top of the Hedera blockchain network. To get started, all you need to do is connect your Hashpack wallet. And if you don't have one yet, no problem. Hera detects that and walks you through installing it step by step, whether you're on desktop, iPhone, or Android. Getting set up takes less than a minute. Once your wallet is connected, you're straight into the coffee shop. No complicated interface, just a conversation. Talk to Hera exactly the way you talk to a real barista. Ask her what's on the menu. Ask about a specific drink. Ask what's in something. She knows the menu inside out and responds naturally. She's not just a chatbot reading from a list. She understands context, handles follow-up questions, and keeps the conversation flowing. When you're ready to order, just tell her. You can say something as simple as, "I'll have a flat white and a croissant," or you can go back and forth. Change your mind. Add something, remove something. She tracks everything. Once you're happy with your order, she repeats it back to you clearly, shows you the total in HBAR, and asks you to confirm before doing anything. No surprises, no hidden steps, full transparency at every point. When you confirm, Hera triggers a payment directly on the Hedera network, and your Hashpack wallet pops up asking for your approval. You review it, you tap approve, and that's it. The transaction is processed on-chain in seconds. You get a receipt right there in the chat. With a transaction ID, you can verify yourself on HashScan. And with one click, you can share your on-chain receipt directly to X. But here's the bigger picture. Any coffee shop can deploy Hera, letting customers order and pay through a single conversation. No cashier, no terminal, no queue. Instant on-chain payments, fully verifiable. This is what retail looks like on Hedera.